Hi again. So in this video, we are going to look at the agent node. Agent node is where the actual conversation happens. Every step where Alex is talking, negotiating, or collecting information that happens inside the agent node. The name of the agent node appears in the call logs and on the canvas edges. Make it descriptive so you know exactly what this step does when reviewing runs. So for example, this name is debt disclosure and payment intent. So moving on to the prompt. The prompt is the system instruction for this step. This one tells Alex to disclose the $347.5 debt, present all three payment options in order and wait for the response before moving on. Order and sequence go here explicitly. The LLM won't assume them. If you keep allow interruption off, that means Alex finishes speaking before the caller can cut in. But to make the agent as human as possible, we are going to keep it on so that whenever the caller interrupts, it stops and acknowledge what is the caller saying and then proceeds further with what the script says. Add global prompt prepends the global node content at runtime. Turn it on so Alex carries his persona and compliance rule into this step as well, as we discussed in previous videos. Enable variable extraction runs an LLM pass after this node and pulls structured data from the conversation. This is going to be helpful when we are extracting data using webhook node. The extraction prompt guides the LLM on what to look for across all variables in this node. Each variable has a name, a type, and an extraction hint. Payment commitment captures which path the debtor took: full payment, settlement, payment plan, refused, or already paid. Payment option chosen captures the specific amount they agreed to. Sentiment captures the debtor's tone during the call: cooperative, hesitant, angry, or disputed. Confidence score is a number. The LLM scores how likely the debtor is to actually pay based on their words and tone. The score lands in gathered context. Use it to prioritize follow-up. Every agent node needs at least one edge out. A node with no exit traps the call with nowhere to go. Just like here you can see, one edge goes directly into end call node. In the next video, we are going to discuss about end call node. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.